Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys what I have here. It is a light kit. There you can see the picture over there. This is what it's going to look like when I get it set up. So let's see if we can set this thing up, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. It's going to take the camera batteries to make it work, and I do have a couple of those, so we are good to go. Looks like it's going to come with the bags to put them in. Hopefully there's two bags for two ones here. I think that's going to be the concept. So, yep, we have two of these bags, so everything will fit into here when we are said and done. Make nice bags, nice little velvet bags. Let's see what these pieces and parts are like. So here is the tripod mount here for it, so we will be able to open this up, and probably have to loosen that, and there we go. So we can have one here. Let's just put that right next to me there. Here's going to be the other one. I'll just set up one for right now. And then here is the light. Oh, here's a big carrying bag, so once we put them in the little bags, we can put them in a big bag. Okay, so I'll take this other part out as well. We'll be installing two of these. And here is the instructions for it. What's in the bottom? Oh, just cardboard. So here's kind of the instructions for it. Kind of explains what it does. I have some batteries over here too, so we are good to go. So let's open this up and see what the light looks like. So it's the NV LP17 by NiceVeedi 16.9-inch photography light panel. Oh, okay. Looks like we're going to have the ability to plug it in as well as using the batteries. So kind of gets cool that it gives us dual ability to do it. Here's another little manual. It's probably the same thing. I don't know what I even did with the other one. Here. Yes, it is. And so this is the panel here. So it's got a good size to it. Oh, it looks like each one's going to take two batteries. I only think I have one battery for each. Let's see what this looks like here. So here's my battery, high quality video battery. Let's see what these look like here. So this is the battery. Is that? I guess it goes like that. Is it going to turn on? No, probably needs two of them. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Just trying to put these batteries in, and it looks like they just go in and slide down. And there, oh, there we go. We have light. Whoa, that's bright. Okay, so let me put this on the tripod here, and then we'll mess with it here. What do we got here? How does it go? Guess we gotta loosen this up, put it over here, and then we can tighten it up. Okay, so there we go. So now we have a light. I'll probably back you guys up here so you can see it here a little better in a second. Here we go. Let's see, can I roll you? Woo, there we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. On the back, we have our 1 versus 2. Let's see. I don't know. I guess 2 must be for the light to work. Wow, with with the batteries. So let's see. We have different color temperatures that we can do here. Does it say what it is? It does. And then we have brightness on the other side. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see up here. Let me maybe a little bit. I'll get you a little closer so you can see what I'm talking about here. So here we have the ability to set the brightness. So here this is going to be, I could change it way down low, 5%, and then we can change our color temperature there. So here we're at 8500, and that's the most, and then going all the way down to, we see it's getting yellower and yellower, down to 2700. So let's show you guys what I look like in the light with the different ones. Oops. got kind of like a GoPro kind of mount thing. So let's see if we got it here. And see, I can change the color temperatures of how I look. Oh, that's the brightness. Definitely the brightness. And then here's the color temperature. So there, I can kind of change it depending on what look I want. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. And I can turn it down. I can make it bright. And right now I only have one. So when I set up the other one, it'll be facing me on that side. I'll be way lit. So actually, I'm going to try that. Actually, I'm going to try this with just one battery. Nope, it won't work with one. Gotta use two, I guess, right? Let's see. Yeah, you have to use two on each one. It's a bummer. I only have two batteries. So, but I can set it up with the. I'll set it up with the plug. I'll plug it in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here with it. So it comes with here as the power adapter. Actually, I will just plug it in here and take off the batteries because you don't get the batteries with it. I just happen to have those. Those are like camera batteries. So you got a nice long cord. Let's plug it in here. There's that. I'll take off these for right now. Let's see, where's now? Okay, I have a power outlet there, so now I'm going to plug this in. We'll see what it does. So one turns on and two doesn't. So one would be for the electric. So here you can see I am well lit up. So let's set up the other second one and we'll see what it looks like with two lights on me, because right now I've got a very uneven look. And but my goal, what you can use these for, is you can use for so many different things, but I use like green screens and things like that, so I could have one straight up on me for the front and then one lighting up the green screen. When you have green screens, you got to light up the green screen, so lighting it up that. So you got different options of it there. So let me put this down here like that. So let's see, where's my other one? Here it is. A lot of packing stuff. So here we go. Take plastic. Oh wait, I didn't loosen this piece. There we go. Okay. I've got all this packing material taking over my little area here. But hopefully this will be good for you to see how it all works. And you can see this setup super quick. I don't know how long I've been videoing this, like 5 or 8 minutes or something, but you know, we've got it all working already. So it's great. But what's great about this too is I have those batteries, so I'll be able to take this on the road with me and not have to worry about plugging it in like I'm doing right now. So here we go. We are there. Whoa, I didn't turn this one down. Is it? Nope, not that one. There. So there, I've got it like on way low, but I can turn it up. Probably want to match what they are, the color-wise, so I can go. I don't think I want it to be super yellow, but there, that's, so here you go. So now, if you see me, I'm pretty well lit up. So there, so now I probably have great lighting on me for this video. So, and I got them both going. So this is a really sweet set. And then we have our bags, which will easily fit the lights in them. I guess these are going to be for the lights. And then once I put the tripods down, I can stick those into this bag. So everything will fit into the bag. Very nice to be able to take it on the road or whatever. So totally cool. I love it. So thumbs up for sure. These lights are amazing. NiceVeedi. So if you do any type of photography or videoing or anything like that, I do some of these influencer videos. So it's going to work out great. Thumbs up for sure.